Type your text on a photo of a brick wall. Click on the FX icon and select Blending Options. Move the sliders below, underlying layer. Hold Alt and click on the slider to split it. You can now blend the text more precisely. Right-click on the thumbnail of the text layer and select the pixels. Go to Select, Modify, Expand. I expand the selection by 20 pixels. Press Ctrl plus Alt and click on the thumbnail of the text layer to deselect these pixels. Go to Edit, Generative Fill. Prompt, Graffiti Paint, text on brick wall. You get 3 different variations. If you don't like any of them, you can just generate again. And that's how you create this graffiti text.